Are you looking for a credible crypto project to start in 2026? Are you searching for a crypto project that could open up opportunities for passive income in 2026? Are you looking for a crypto project you can start for free and still grow into something meaningful over time? Then this is for you. I've got good news. Whether you want to start without investing any money or you are interested in learning about crypto projects that offer sustainable reward models, Go-To Income is here to guide you, strictly for educational purposes. On this channel, we explore credible crypto projects, explain how they work, discuss potential risk, and help you understand how to make informed decisions without hype or pressure. Subscribe to Go-To Income to learn, research, and discover crypto opportunities the smart way. With Go-To Income, we focus on learning, risk management, and avoiding unnecessary losses in the crypto space. Subscribe now.